All right, this is the King Midas selection test. I'm going to start with number 1. The statue of the bear was lifeless, unbelievable, unseen, not valuable, not alive. Number 2, she held a spoonful of cereal, single serving size, as much as a spoon could hold, bowl filled to the top, amount equal to a sugar cube. Number 3, he works with precious metals, valuable, scrap, common, unfamiliar. Number 4, it was a peaceful realm, area ruled by a king or queen, colony, land surrounded by water, community. Number 5, she liked to adorn her hair with flowers. Scent, decorate, comb, refresh. I need to cleanse the wound. Inspect, bandage, stitch, wash. Number 7, today is a blank day. You have to choose the spelling that is correct for the word special. Number 8, the diamonds are very blank. Choose the spelling of the word precious. Number 9, I am entering a piano blank. Choose the spelling of the word competition. Number 10, we need to make a blank decision. Spell the word crucial. Number 11, the thunderstorm was blank. Choose the correct spelling for the word ferocious. Number 12, our host was blank. Choose the correct spelling for the word gracious. Saving spring, a myth from Scandinavia. Once in the northernmost regions of the world, winter came and never left. People had endured long winters before, but as the calendar turned to April and May, the snow kept falling and the sun would not shine. By June, people in the local village grew fearful. They were unable to plant crops and afraid that they might starve. Snowdrifts towered so high that the villagers were isolated from other villages. The mayor called an emergency meeting in the town hall. A roaring fire did little to reduce the chill in the air. Villagers sat huddled together on the wooden benches, trying to keep warm. Outside, another snowstorm raged, wind and snow swirling together. The mayor said, "Spring is being held prisoner by Old Man Winter at the North Pole. Several villages and towns have sent their bravest people to rescue her, but none have returned. They want us to send someone now." Everyone looked around, but no one volunteered. Then a young man named Oscar said, "I will go to the North Pole and see if I can rescue Spring. I don't mind the cold, and someone needs to challenge Old Man Winter." A few weeks later, Oscar saw Old Man Winter's huge ice castle looming in the distance at the North Pole. It was as enormous as a mountain. He looked for a side entrance to try to sneak his way in, but before he knew what was happening, 3 guards captured him and dragged him into the icy palace. They put him in a large room that was empty except for a few rabbits and a deer shivering from the cold. Surprised, Oscar collapsed onto the bench to rest and fell into a deep sleep. When Oscar awoke, he discovered that his hands were now paws. He had turned into a huge tiger. A white rabbit sat a short distance away, forgetting everything. Oscar only knew he was hungry. He chased the rabbit, but it was too fast. It led Oscar to a dark corridor. After a while, Oscar sat down on the rough ground. His actions horrified him. Tears filled his eyes, and he hid his head between his paws. "It's all right, my friend," the rabbit's small voice said from a hole in the wall. "This is what Old Man Winter does to people when they come here to save spring. He turns them into animals, and they forget their humanity." "Who are you?" Oscar asked. "I'm Greta," said the rabbit, coming out of the hole. "I am from a small village in the north." All of the villagers and our animals froze. As the only survivor, I try to help anyone who wants to save spring. Little did we know what Old Man Winter had in mind. Many people roam the ice fields in animal form, having completely forgotten who they were. Saving spring is our only chance of survival. Number 13. The winter described in the passage is different from our winters because it doesn't snow, the wind makes snowdrifts, it doesn't end, the skies are gray. Number 14. How is Oscar different from other people in his village? He doesn't want to challenge Old Man Winter. He doesn't mind the cold. He is friendly with the mayor. He has been to the North Pole. Number 15. In paragraph 6, Old Man Winter's ice castle is compared to a monster, a light, a tiger, a mountain, a snowstorm. Number 16. What is the main problem that Oscar faces in the story? Trying to rescue spring, trying to get to the North Pole, trying to speak to Old Man Winter, trying to turn Greta into a rabbit. Number 17. At the end of the passage, what can you conclude will happen next? Oscar will eat Greta. Old Man Winter will let spring go. Oscar will bring Greta back to his village. Greta and Oscar will work together to save spring. Number 18. As someone holding spring captive, Old Man Winter could best be compared to a knight on a quest in a foreign land, a hunter seeking big game, a prince seeking a princess, a king seeking powers over others. Number 19. Both Oscar and Greta are friends of Old Man Winter, turned into animals by Old Man Winter, enemies of spring, turned into animals by spring. Number 20. After reading this passage, you can conclude that Oscar is mean, brave, lonely, hungry.